All right. I have had a request, and this is something that I've been wanting to do because um, it's just so helpful. It's more breath work, but this time I'm going to keep it to 10 minutes. We're going to do a little bit of waking up the body so we can sit comfortably and do this breath work. So let's just get right into it. Take a nice breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth this time. And again, arms down and breathe up and breathe in through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Bring your hands to your heart center and relax. And breathe in through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. And this time you can keep your hands in prayer position, crossed over your heart or at your knees. And we're just going to take 10 deep breaths in and out through the nose. You can just relax your eyes and keep them open a little bit if you like, or you can close them. I will guide you. Breathing in through the nose, count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out through the nose for 6. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and inhale through the nose, 3, 4, and exhale through the nose for 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale for 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and inhale 2 more times, 3, 4, and exhale through the nose, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One more time. Inhale through the nose, 3, 4, and exhale for 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Take your hands to your shoulders. We're going to inhale and exhale through the nose only. Inhale to the right, exhale to the left. It doesn't matter which way you're going. That's the way I'm going. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very gently. Inhale, exhale. You might need a Kleenex. I should have thought of that earlier. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. This is very gentle, about a 45-degree turn because we're not warmed up. Inhale, exhale. And keep going. On the exhale, as always, we want to compress the diaphragm. So, inhale, exhale. This is all through the nose, just really gentle. And then I don't like to stop things abruptly, especially when we're not warmed up yet. So just slowing down the motor a little bit, and then just inhale and exhale, and inhale through the nose always. Exhale if you can. Inhale, and if you can't quite do it all, inhale, just keep the breathing. If the inhale and exhale isn't working right now through the nose, try inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Sometimes we have to make adjustments, and that is the beautiful part of listening to your own body. You're the expert. Exhale and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And slowly come to the center again and breathe in through the nose and push it down. Out through the mouth this time. Inhale through the nose and push. isometrics. Inhale and push. Exhale through the mouth here. Inhale. Now just hold it. Now we're going to pump the stomach. I'm going to show you what this looks like from the side. It's probably the easiest. You're going to inhale, and without taking more breaths, you're going to go. You see that? It's like you're fake breathing. It's a wonderful exercise for the abdominal region to really expand the oxygenation system, especially in this. So inhale, hold it, and just pump while you're holding your breath. And you don't have to do this perfectly. And exhale, push it down. And the more you do this, inhale, the more you do this pump, it's like you're pushing in here. The more you do this, the more you'll get used to this. In the beginning, it feels really weird. And exhale, push down. Exhale through the mouth here. We're going to do this 2 more times. Inhale and pulse the diaphragm 10 times. And push it down. And inhale, pulse for 10 counts. Now hold it in and exhale through the mouth. And once again, we're going to take our hands to our shoulders and inhale to the right, exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale. I'll tell you when to stop. 20 more seconds. Five more seconds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And slowly slow it down. We're going to do just exactly what we did before. It's a little stretch. And inhale and exhale. And inhale through the nose and exhale. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose if you can. There's 2 more. Now you're going to get either in table position, or as I always like to do things on my elbows, if you need to protect your wrist, this is a good position. We're just going to inhale up and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Inhale. Now take it back to a child's pose and hold your breath for a moment. And exhale. Now you're kind of come up to either a small dolphin, which is this on your elbows, or a very easy down dog, whichever works for you. Okay, so choose your down dog or your dolphin, and we're going to just do a little breath of fire. So breath of fire is all through your nose, if possible. On the exhale, your diaphragm comes in. So you can take this at your own pace, but you might want to start, now remember, you're in dolphin or in down dog, or you can sit. Just, we're going to do 1 minute of breath of fire. I'm just showing you with my hands. Your hands don't have to be here. I'm showing you where your diaphragm comes in. So if you're in a down dog, it'll be like this. If you're in a dolphin, it'll be like this. Ten more. 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3. We're going to hold the exhale and then hold it. Just hold it. And breathe naturally. We're going to come back into cat-cow. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Through the nose if you can. Inhale and exhale. Through the nose. You can take this gentle rocking. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now if you're in table, it can look like this. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Take a child's pose. You can have your arms in back of you or your arms in front of you. If your arms are in front, you're going to get a nice stretch underneath your arms. Just breathe in deeply and exhale through your nose. We'll take 3 breaths like this. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the nose. And inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. 2 more. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the nose. Last one. Breathe in through the nose. Tuck your toes and come to a dolphin or a down dog and exhale and walk your feet out. Just continuing to breathe deeply through the nose. Inhale and exhale. And inhale on tippy toes and exhale. Relaxing the neck, softening the neck. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale, both feet down. Down dog or dolphin. And hold this. We're going to take 15 seconds here of a gentle breath of fire, starting now. And exhale and hold it out. Take a nice stretch. And inhale. And come down to your knees. And come into a Baddha Konasana. Soles of the feet together. And we're just going to inhale, forward, and exhale back. Looks like this. Inhale, slight arch. Nice stretch. Exhale back. Inhale and exhale. Now, if Baddha Konasana doesn't work, you can keep your feet flat on the floor. Inhale, bend your knees. It's just a little bit easier. You might get more flexibility in your spine this way. This is beautiful. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, 2 more. And exhale. Last one here. Inhale. And exhale. Now you do want to bring the feet together. Inhale up and walk over to the degree where you feel a nice, relaxing stretch. And just, if you can, relax your forehead down. You can bring your block, if this helps you, and you can rest your forehead at any level. You know, you can even, you know, do this to give yourself some more support, like a restorative yoga pose. So this is a really nice one. You can walk out and just now allow your body to soften as you breathe on your own time, but maybe just a little deeper than normal. Just for 10 more seconds. Just breathing so nicely in through the nose and exhale through the nose. Breathing on your own time here. And slowly come up. This is our last little breathing exercise. We are going to breathe in for 4 and then 2 quick, and then exhale slowly for 8. So it'll be in, and this is all through the nose if possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 quick, and then exhale through the nose for 8 counts. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale 2, 3, 4, 2, quick, quick, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inhale 2, 3, 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and inhale 2, 3, 4, and quick, quick, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Inhale 2, 3, 4, and exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And breathe in and hold it at the top. And exhale through the nose, bringing your hands to the heart. One more time, and really reach out as you inhale, bringing the hands to the heart. As you exhale, you can keep your hands in this prayer position over your heart center or down on your knees or your lap, and rest your eyes. We'll take a 10-second sitting Shavasana as this beautiful work digests within your body. I will bring you out of it. And bring your hands to your heart and give thanks for this precious moment. And Gypsy says hello. Alrighty. Until next time, guys. Thank you.